Okay, I'm going to do a little quick tour of what's done so far in here. Of course, we're a long ways from being done, but I want to show kind of my progress because I haven't done a video really showing my progress lately. So, kitchen is still about halfway completed. I still got to do the shelves and the doors and then the upper cabinets. I got the dishwasher installed. That's the main water line, which has got to be run down to the water meter. I haven't done that yet. However, I do have everything plumbed as far as water supply to the sink, to the refrigerator ice maker, and to the dishwasher. I have a plumber coming in that's doing all the drains for me. So that runs across, there's the water line going down to the refrigerator, and this goes all the way. Everything goes to this spot, the staircase, and underneath the staircase is where the water heater is, which is right there, and where the manifold will go, which is this thing here. And that's where all the water lines will go and go to their different spots. It'll be also mounted under there, so everything is going to that. So here's the, and I've never done plumbing like this before, so there is 2 shower heads in this shower. There's one on that end and one here, and then there's the sink and the 2 toilets, which the 2 toilets are running off of the same water line. I made some brackets to kind of hold this stuff back to where when I put the insulation in, everything's there. Here's the fuse box, so they had to put in this 200 amp. That one was not big enough for everything we were going to do, so I had an electrician come in and do this. So everything is hooked up, but some stuff isn't turned on, like the oven isn't turned on, and the hot water heater, which is these 3 right here. It takes 3 of those. The other thing, I guess I can show the bathroom. Shower is not complete, but I got a lot of it done in here. The other bathroom. There's all the stuff. It's going to be dark up there. I can't get to the light switch yet, but I will turn on my phone light. So there's all the wood that we've been planting. Probably about half of that wood out there so far, and I've got them in stacks of sizes and types. So that far stack farthest from me is all oak, as is these 2 big thick pieces up front, and so that will be the wall coverings. That's where I'm at with that. We also got our AC / heater put in. This is the inside part, the blower, and the outside part I'll show in a moment. So they came and did that. The same people that did the breaker box did this as well. They also went and checked my work that I had done, and I did everything correctly, so that's good. There's the remote to the AC heater. There's the remote to the fan up there. Kind of have remotes all over the place here. Here's the remote for that one. So everything is on. All the electrical outlets work. Everything's been tested. I did have to replace one outlet right here. I didn't realize you only need one of these in the chain, and I was putting those, I had several of those, the ones that reset. So that was keeping these up. They were playing against each other, so I had to take one out, put that one in. I also had one other issue. That back outlet, that's the outside outlet for the backyard. I had that wired kind of funky, and it wasn't working correctly. So I just completely redid that and put a new outlet in there. So let me go outside. Here's what all this stuff looks like on. So here's the porch light. These porch lights. And here's the dog run area. It's all fenced in. There's Bongo and Milo and Sandy. We're enjoying that fenced in yard. Let's go over here. There's the rest of that wood. Here's the sawdust pile. Alright, so here is the outside unit for the AC and heater. So this is a split style. Just some gardening stuff under there. That's where they went into the house. Here's our main power. This is the pole that they put in. There's the original. That's the temporary pole that we put up. And so they just came up here to the house, and then it goes under. Here's that outside outlet. So I just redid that. Okay, and then what I'm working on today is I started working on this dryer, and I got everything mounted and wired up. There's where it plugs in. I didn't give myself enough wire over here, and so that's why it's mounted kind of over here instead of behind it. So what I got to do right now is mount this, install this. So I'm going to work on that next. It's going to go off this back wall here, and then the plumber is going to also put in my drain for the wash machine. So that's coming too. See if it works.